Hey, it's Matt. Today I'm going to show you my Panther tank that's been long in the running, and if you like it, please give a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so I can keep bringing this original design Lego content to you. If you're into German armor, please check out these videos. I have everything from tigers to Stug 3s to an elephant to even modern armor such as a Gepard and a Leopard 2A6. Today we're going to take a look at this Panther tank that I made. I'm not sure what version it is. I kind of looked at the ALF's G, but in the end I decided I wasn't trying to portray any particular model. I just took different features off of photos that I found just because I thought they looked neat and applied them to this model. The turret was the hardest part to do because of all the complex angles. Start to see some of the angles on the turret. Here's what it looks like underneath. You can see my turret was just sitting on by gravity. We'll get back to that. That's what the turret looks like from underneath. Typically I'd used a turntable piece like this and mount it underneath a solid disc, but on this one, since I was taking it on and off so much for development, I decided just to put it on by gravity. This is a close-up of the front. This is some kind of Kobe or Mega Bloks piece I put in to look like the coaxial machine gun. I used ball and socket pieces to get the angles of the side of the turrets to work the way I needed them to. I want to say something about the camouflage. I tried to make the colors go in diagonal striations so they make sense. And frankly, that's what takes the most time in building tanks that are camo like this. This is actually one big monolithic piece. That's a Mega Bloks piece hidden in behind there. There's the top back deck. Those jet-like looking pieces came off of a Mega Bloks kit. This is all one big side piece. looks like on the inside. These have been painted. See, that was originally a red piece, and I used acrylic paint to paint it. So what's left of the machine gun. In the back, take a look at the exhaust. It's all just hinged. There's the tracks with some of them coming off. Notice I carried the camo even along the insides of the tread for a little extra detail. This is a nice detail here. If I had more of these gear pieces and if I had the right colors, I would have used them, but I just had them in this tan. I'm just going to pull the tracks off just to show you. That is Lego brick tape, and they're just being sandwiched in between other parts. Here's a close-up of the front running gear. So I basically just built it up, and I used very similar, if not the same, track base as I did for the Panther. These are the part types and the concept I used when putting together the road wheels for the Panther. In World War II, the Germans were known for interleaving their road wheels, which means they were staggered and they overlapped, which became a maintenance hassle in the field, because if the inner wheels were damaged, when you threw a track or something like that, you'd have to take the outer wheels off first to get to the inner wheels and then put them back on. Didn't turn out to be such a great idea, but they sure look cool. So that's how those stagger. Anyway, that's as much as I'm going to tear this down. Thanks to everybody. Thanks to everybody for being so patient. Because I took a few months off of this project to take care of some stuff in my family life. But I look forward to creating more in the near future. Thanks a lot, y'all. Bye.